thought I'd give a little update about what's the situation in Hikkaduwa, Sri Lanka right now. It's sunny and warm and peaceful here in southern Sri Lanka at the moment. Our main issues at the moment is we have no power. There is power shortages, power cuts throughout the country at the moment. Power cuts are always like a normal thing here in Sri Lanka, but lately it's been like up to 5 to 8 hours. And of course, here in the front, like most hotels now, we have a generator, of course. But also we cannot run that all the time, because in addition to power shortage, there's also diesel shortages. So some issues right now. So for most tourists this is not a big issue because they stay in hotels and hotels have generators. We also run the generator most of the days. We turn it off sometimes in the daytime when all the guests anyway is outside and enjoying the beach. But nighttime and anytime guests need power, we will provide, of course. So I think the issue is more for nomadic nomads and people that are looking to stay in Sri Lanka longer time. You have to check that your villa has a generator if you need power and internet and like things to be able to work. But for normal tourists, I guess some few hours power cut in the daytime is not a big deal. You can go to the beach and enjoy fresh sea breeze there. But of course, if you have to work and also are more dependent on power, it can be an issue. So I just want people to know about it. I always try to give the honest side of everything in Sri Lanka. It's beautiful weather today. We have a little bit less guests again. We have some cancellations because we had some bookings from Eastern Europe. And the situation in Ukraine, of course, first of all, is a tragedy for the Ukrainian people. I feel so strongly for them. I really can't believe that one country or one crazy leader can invade a peaceful democratic country in 2022. This was definitely not what I hoped for this year, but let's hope peace will come back to Europe soon, and Sri Lanka is here waiting.